Hey guys, I just got a Stitch Fix box and I'm gonna give my reaction.
Yeah, open box, hasn't seen anything before. This is his first Stitch Fix ever. Sophomore year in college. Computer engineering major, if you wondered. That's your return bag. Ooh.
Shoes.
So 2 12.25s are total for the box. All right, so these sneakers are $60. They're Sperry or Sperry.
Okay.
They're like a washed, they call them a washed canvas sneaker. $60.
Okay.
What do you think of those?
I already have a bunch of shoes like those,
Yeah,
so I don't know if I'm gonna keep these, but they look nice.
yeah. Okay. May hinge on the other clothes, huh?
Alright.
Ooh, that's a good looking shirt.
This one is a...
That's a long sleeve Oxford.
Right.
48.
I like that.
Pricing on that, you feel like that's fair?
48 bucks.
Be 25% off that if you keep the whole box.
Yeah.
So this one is the Bermuda rayon short sleeve shirt. 65.
I don't know about this.
So that is not really his style. Maybe we didn't say we didn't like florals.
Alright.
Okay.
Yeah, this which is a...
That looks like you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
How much is that one?
So that one is the Elijah. 42.
Okay. And,
Some gray pants.
she knows.
Rider skinny fit pants.
Okay.
And those are 68.
If I keep... if
So
they fit
let's,
right, then-
we'll do a quick try and we'll have pictures.